You see, the two men you see on this video, Peter Obi and Atiku, will be the ultimate determinant of the shape of our political future in 2027. Now, I've decided to focus on these two candidates because they shape the very, or they point us to the very problem that we have in Nigeria. And they give us an insight of the political mindset of politicians in Nigeria. Don't rush to conclusion. Hold on, let me explain. It is no gainsaying that Tinubu is by far the worst president Nigeria has ever had, right? Okay. And there's an urgent need to set Nigeria into the right political trajectory. It's very important right now that Tinubu goes. And the only viable opposition that we have right now is anywhere between Atiku and Peter Obi. But who is going to back the other between Atiku and Peter Obi? Let me tell you what is happening here. As for Peter Obi, I want to believe that yes, he is enmeshed in a desire to actually want to see Nigeria work. Because I'm somebody that always judge people by the content of their character. What comes out of you determines the build and your psychological makeup, what you say. Now, the likes of Peter Obi represents a group of politicians that are in tandem with the understanding that Nigeria needs an urgent overhaul. And let me say this thing clearly. Anybody that understands that Nigeria has come to an age where we'll transform ourselves from consumption to production, that alone sweeps me off my feet. That alone sweeps me off my feet. Because it's not just about Nigeria alone, it's about Africa. As a black race, we are too much inclined to consume. We consume to the point that we even consume our future. And until we get to the only reason why the developed world are more advanced than Africa is because the developed worlds are a producing nation. In the African world, we are a consuming nation. Period. It's not a rocket science. So for anybody to understand that fact, to me, is a candidate for me. And that's why I support Peter Obi. Now, is Peter Obi an angel? Absolutely not. But is he in touch with the very essence of the problems of Nigeria? Absolutely yes. Now, the likes of Atiku, on the other hand, the problem with Atiku is that he is drowned in the Fulani mentality that they own Nigeria. He's also drowned in the northern mentality of this political superiority complex that they cannot be subservient or politically subservient to Southerners. As far as they're concerned, Southerners are below them. And therefore, the Southerner must align with their political foresight or political wishes. That's why Atiku feels entitled that Peter Obi must be his vice. And in his mind, he doesn't see Peter Obi asking him to be his vice. Now, here is the reality, at least from my own perspective. An Atiku as president and Peter Obi as vice is a failure right from, they should try it. I can tell you that the stand of the obedient movement, which is by far the largest support group in Africa, will not buy into a Peter Obi succumbing to the suggestion of vice. That's period. You can take it to the bank. That's period. You can take it to the bank. Forget that INEC said the obedient movement gave Peter Obi 6 million. We are way more. The obedient movement is, the strength of the obedient movement is way more than that. It's way more than 6 million. I think it should be about twice that number. Now, am I saying Atiku should be vice to Peter Obi? No. I'm saying Atiku should come down his high horse and embrace reality and commandeer the northern support for Peter Obi. That is the only way they can defeat Tinubu. That is the only way they can defeat Tinubu. But I can assure you that an Atiku presidency will not command the respect of the South-South vote, South-East votes, and the Middle Belt vote. Not now that Nigeria is suffering on the spates of Fulani attacks in Nigeria. That alone is a psychological drawback for potential voters. The problem with Atiku is that he should embrace the realism of the true situation of Nigeria and come down your high horse. Otherwise, this I no go gree mentality, this hard stance that I must be president from Atiku and Peter Obi I must be president, you're only making it easy for Tinubu for his second term. The only way out, Atiku, be a kingmaker, get somebody to be vice to Peter Obi and encourage you not to support Peter Obi. That's the only way out. I'm not saying this because Peter Obi is my candidate. I'm not saying this because I'm desperate to see Peter Obi become president, but I'm saying it because that is the only political permutation that can get Tinubu out. Please follow this page and share this post now.